Hello, everybody. This is Michael with the Lang Shack here, and today we are going to do the 6th episode of the Papiamento language series. Now, there's just a couple more days left until we head out to Aruba, and I am very excited for it because we got a lot of activities planned, lots of different videos planned, the bus system, all the different islands, and we're going to be seeing a whole lot of different activities going on, and plenty of opportunities to practice the Papiamento language with the people. So it's just very, very, very exciting. So I personally can't wait. We leave Wednesday, so we will be there probably about noon on Wednesday, and then we're going to be heading out, trying the food, and talking to the locals, and talking to the host, and all this stuff, and everything's going to be in Papiamento, and I'm going to be putting up tons of videos about all my travels here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this dialogue here, and then after that, we're going to go over the vocabulary and the grammar. All right, here we go. Esta noche bonito. Agua no te cae, pa Kiko, mi no sale pa cine, mi no queda en la casa agua noche. No saki tempo, es cinta de sala. Eta bebe coffee, eta come pan mientras ta descansa, ma que baisida pa wak un film agua noche. Prome co ele sali, el lava su cara sushi. Ela bisti su paña, ela viste un camisa cu calzón, cu media en su zapato. Ela pone algún placa y su llave en su saco. Y anto, ela salí. Edo gana cine ribacaya. Después, ela gana allá. Y eta puntranon. Bonochi, mita busca film pa wak? Qua film y qui tempo boque mira? Mi que film pa 7 horas en punto, por favor. Esta cine grande. Ela trenta cena y ela pidi algo un coffee. Buon noche. Mi que bestel o pidi coffee, por favor. Pone poco suki den mi coffee, ma sin leche, danki. Y un cerveza también. Eso aquí te costaba 5 florin. Hasta 5 florin. Después ela waki film, ela bin back na cas. Eta masha cansa, paso talada noche. Eta kida tur paña. Alright, guys, so I'm just going to read this one time for the sake of time here. So we're going to just go ahead and jump into the vocabulary, and then we're going to do the grammar structures here. So in the first line here, esta noche bonito means what a night. Agua no te cae, it's not raining because I am not. Why am I not going out, or why don't I go out tonight to the theater? I don't want to stay at home tonight. So in this one, esta noche bonito. Bonito means beautiful. Agua no te cae means today water is not falling. Water is not falling means it's their way of saying it's not raining. Pa Kiko means why. It's like pa Kiko is for what? Because Kiko means what? Mi no salí, I'm not leaving to the theater today. So pasina to the theater. Agua is from Awol is now. It's from Spanish ahora, but this ahora thing, awor, so ahora. There's many examples of this in this language as well. Mi no que queda, so I do not want. So mi no que, I don't want to. Queda, exactly like quedarse in Spanish. Queda na casa agua noche, na casa at home agua noche tonight. Na saki tempo, at this time. Or at this moment, as cinta de sala, she is sitting in the living room. So cinta, sitting down. Sala is the living room. Deng sala, in the living room. Eta bebe coffee, she is drinking coffee. Y ta come pan de mientras, so she is eating bread. So ta come is to eat. Pan is bread. Mientras is while. So mientras ta descansa, while she is resting. Descansa. So cansa means tired. Descansa means rest. So ma eka, so ma is but, eke bai, she wants to go cine. So eke bai cine, she wants to go to the theater. Pa wak un film agua noche. Wak un film, to look at a film. Wak is from Dutch wakken. So wak un film, to see a film, agua noche. So agua is today, noche is night. Today night means tonight. So prome ku, before. So prome is like, the prima and prima donna. Prima means first. And ku, so prome ku ela sali, so before she leaves, prome ku ela sali. Ela sali, she left. So because sali means to go out. Ela lava, so lava is to wash. ela lava, she washes su kara sushi. So sushi like dirty sushi, because sushi isn't cooked, it's raw fish. So kara sushi is dirty. So su kara sushi, her dirty face. Ela bisti su paña, she puts on her clothes. So the bisti is like the vest, is like the vestir in Spanish, to put on clothes. So bisti is like the vest. Yeah, vest is the way in English that we have that connects to this word. So ela bisti, she put on her clothes. Paña, clothes. Ela bisti un camisa. Un camisa is a shirt. Cu calzón are pants. Cu mea, with socks. Deng su zapato. So she puts on a shirt with pants and socks in her shoes. So ela pone algún placa. She puts some money. Algún placa is money. Y su llave, her keys. Deng su saku in her pocket. So saku is pocket. Deng su saku is in her pocket. Y anto, ela sali. Anto is from Portuguese então, which means then or so. So this means that she puts some money and her keys in her pocket, and then she leaves. She goes. Elokana. So kana is to walk. So elokana, she will walk to the theater. Elokana cine. Riba calle. So riba is on, in this case. So calle is a street from Spanish. Calle. So cine, riba calle, on the street. Después elakana allá. After that, she goes there. So elakana allá, she goes there. Y eta puntra nang. So puntra, I don't know where this is from, but puntra is to ask. So eta puntra nang, she asks them. So then she says, bon noche. Good night. Mita busca film pa wak. So busca, to search. So I am looking for a film to see. Mita busca film pa wak. Buscas, to search for. Film is a film. Pa wak, to see, as you saw earlier in this dialogue as well. So otro hombre de ventana. Ventana is a window, but there is a better word that you could use. You can say taquilla. Taquilla is the word that you use for a ticket window. So otro hombre de taquilla or otro hombre de ventana. So qua film y que tempo boque mira. Qua film, what film? Which film? Qua means which. So qua film y que tempo, what time? Y que tempo, what time? Boque mira, what do you want to see? So mira means from mirar. It's similar to the mirror in English, with this thing you look in to show your reflection. And then the lady asks, "Mi que el film? I want the film pa 7 horas en punto. I want the film for exactly 7 o'clock. So pa 7 horas is 7 o'clock. 7 or hours. Mi que el film? I want the film pa 7 horas en punto. En punto means on the dot, or exactly at X time. Por favor. Esta cine grande. What a big theater. Era drenta cine. So drenta is to enter. So you just put the noun after. So era drenta cine. She goes into the theater, enters the theater. Y ela pide algún café. So she asks for some coffee. She requests some. She orders some coffee. Algún café. So ela pide means to order something. Algún coffee means some coffee. Bon noche again. Mi que bestel to order is another word for pidi. Pidi is from Spanish pedir, and bestel is from Dutch bestellen, which is kind of like in English, it would be like batel, because batel something, which isn't a word. Bestel. So coffee, I'd like to order some coffee, please. Pone poco suku. Poco is a little bit. Pone is to put. So put a little bit of sugar. So pone poco suku. Suku, sugar, a little bit of sugar. Deng mi coffee. Deng mi coffee in my coffee. My coffee, mi coffee. Coffee is coffee. Masing leche. Donkey. Sing is without. Leche is milk. So but without milk. Masing leche. Donkey. Donkey from Dutch donkey, meaning thank you. Y un cerveza tambe. So cerveza, I'm sure you've seen those, cervezas on bottles of beer. It's also the Spanish word for a beer. It comes from the Spanish word for a beer, cerveza. So cerveza tambe from Portuguese tambe means also or two. So the next one, esaki tá custado 5 florin. Esaki is this. Tá custado. Costa is to cost. Tá custado will cost you 5 florin. Will cost you 5 florins, or 5 Aruban dollars. And she says, Ata 5 florin. Here is 5 florins. Here's 5 Aruban dollars. Después ela va que film, ela been back na casa. So después after ela va que film, ela walk. So ela walk is she saw in the past. Even though is she or she when you use it with the past to say she saw it after she saw the film. Ela walk, so she saw the film. E film, the film. Ela being, so here you go. Here again, you know that they're talking about the past tense again. So being is to come, but being back literally means to come back. So to return. So ela being back na casa, she goes back home. So na casa, to home or at the house or at home. Eta masha, so masha is very. Eta masha cansa. Eta masha cansa. So cansa is tired. Masha cansa, very tired. Eta masha cansa, paso, because paso talat na noche. Talat, so lat is late. Talat na noche is late at night. Na noche at night. Eta kita is from quitarse, to take off. So or to remove. Eta quita turpaña. She takes off all of her clothes, right? And then she goes to sleep. So eta quita turpaña. So tur means every. It's from tud. So tud, it's unclear whether this is from todo or it's from tulu. It's probably from tulu because of the tud. And tur, it is somehow evolved into tur. So tur paña is your clothes, probably from a root similar to the word pañuelo, which is a hanky or a handkerchief. Y etadrumi awo. So tadrumi is to sleep. So the drumi is like a dormant, like a dormant volcano, right? So etadrumi awo, and she goes to sleep now, and she sleeps now. So there you have it. That's the vocabulary here. So now we're going to jump into the grammar. So here we go. Esta. So whenever you use anything after esta here, it usually means how wonderful. What a blah, blah, blah. So esta noche bonito. What a beautiful night. Esta noche bonito. And then later in the dialogue here, we also have another example where she says, esta cine grande. What a large theater. Esta cine grande. So if you want to say, how beautiful. Esta bonito. What a fast car that is. Esta auto rápido. What a fast car. So this is how you use esta. And then we also have some other ones here. So deng. So deng means in. So deng and adeng are different. Adeng is from adentro, which means inside, whereas deng is in a place. So you could say deng sala in the living room, deng kas in a house. And if you also, but you can say adeng. If you say adeng a kas, that means inside the house, or adeng a school, inside the school. So those are different. They're similar, but they are different at the same time. There is also another one, mientras. So mientras means while, which comes from Spanish mientras. And mientras is like while. So if you do something while something else is taking course, this is when you would use mientras. So you say mita come pan. So I am eating bread. Mita come pan mientras bota lesa un buki. I am eating bread while you are reading a book. Mi hasi mientras bo hasi. I am doing while you are doing, or while you are making, something like this. Another piece of grammar that we have here, promeku. So promeku is like saying prime. Prime is the closest word I have, because prime is like, at the forefront, it's like the first one, like Amazon Prime, the prime product, premium. Like it's the top, it's the first one. That's what this word is related to in English, as a mnemonic device to help you remember the word. So promeku. Promeku is premium. So promeku anything else. So if you say promeku era salí, like in the dialogue, before she leaves, before she left. Promeku mi hasi, before I do. Promeku mi tasali, before I leave. So that's what that is. So promeku. And then you have después. So después is after. Same thing. You can say después ku as well, or después di. So después mi acaba el trabajo, after I finish work. después masali, after I left. Después mahasi, after I made. Después macana, riba calle, after I walked on the street. So that's the idea of después in pronoun, so before and after something. And then you have two words for but. So you have ma and you have pero. I don't know what the difference is, but one is from Portuguese and one is from Spanish. So in Portuguese, mas means, or mas, depending on your dialect, means but. And in Spanish, pero means but. So in Papiamento, you can use either or. You can say, I walked, but I didn't run. Mi macana, pero mi no acore. Or you could also say that, you could also interchange that with ma, like, macana ma mi no acore. So you can use pero and ma interchangeably. There is literally no difference between those two. There's another one here. So que tempo. So whenever you ask what time is it, you will usually say quanto or ting. So quantor ting means how many hours does it have? How many hours are there? Which literally means what time is it? However, when you ask for the time of something, you say kiko tempo. So if you say, what time do you want to see the film? Kiko tempo. Ki tempo bokemira, like in the dialogue. Ki tempo. That's how you would say that this is the time that you want to see something. So that is how you would use that, as opposed to saying quantor. I imagine you could say quantor for that, but it is more common and much faster and more convenient to use key tempo. So you could say key tempo, blah 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 blah. Key tempo, key tempo boke by na school. What time do you want to go to school? Key tempo boke sali. What time do you want to leave? So there you go. And then there is also two words here. So there are two words for ordering something. So you can use Bestel or PD. Again, there is no difference between PD and Bestel. You can say mi cab PD un sandwich. You can also say mi cab Bestel un sandwich. So there's no, it's sandwich as opposed to sandwich. I guess it's a little bit different, but probably better. Every language has their own way of borrowing and adapting words to their respective languages. So that's how they do it in Papiamento. There is also one more example of something here. So when you have bo after, when you put bo at the end, when you write it all as one word, so in the dialogue, there's only one example of this here. So you say esakita costabu. So you write costabo, right? So you say esakita costabo. You write ta costabo, but when you write costabo, you're actually going to pronounce it costabu. It's costabu. So eta costabu. So anytime you have bu at the end, it's a bu. It's something similar to me. When you write me, you just pronounce it as I saw that somewhere. So you say, dunam. You write dunami, but I believe you just say dunam. So you can say, so in Papiamento, you can say, I give you. So, mita dunabu, mita dunabu. So you could say, you could say how would you say, you're searching, I am searching for you, I am looking for you. Mita buscabo, I'm looking for you. Buscabo. So, as you see, it is a little bit weird that it's bo when it's pronounced boo, even though they write bo, but that's just the way it is in this language. Every language has their peculiarities, and this is just one of them in Papiamento. There's a lot of weird stuff in Papiamento, like why in the world does A become L? Like that's something I find to be very strange. That when you say, instead of saying awak, you say elawak. You can say elawak. No, that's more correct. That's more formal. But you would say elawak. It's like, where did this L come from? But you say ba. You say ba bye. Or ma bai, but you say ella bai, it's for the past tense. It's very weird. So we don't really have any time to go to do anything else, but I would like to record vocabulary builders in the future for this thing. for these types of podcast things as a separate recording for people to get additional practice, because not everybody wants to listen to additional stuff, but some people are seriously studying the language and would like to have reinforcements for their practice. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening to this podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because as much as I enjoy making it for you guys. And I hope to see you guys in Papiamento podcast number 7. Thank you guys for listening. And check out langshack.org for more information, or patreon.com/langshack for more Patreon posts on the Papiamento language. Thank you guys.